Shri Dashmesh Public School, Standard 4th, Subject English. Children, today we will see Unit 1, Poem number 1, Rain in the Night. Children, now tell me, which season is this? Yes, rainy season. Today we will learn poem based on rain. Unit number 1, Poem number 1, Rain in the Night. Children, today we are going to see poem on rain. As you know, June month is of rainy season. So right now which month is going on? June. Yes. So let us read a beautiful poem on rain. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. Now children, I will give you the explanation for the first stanza. Raining, raining all night long. What it means? It has been raining throughout the night. Whole night the rain is continuously falling. Sometimes loud and sometimes soft. And sometimes it is loud and sometimes it is soft, just like a song. Children, see, when you listen a song or a music, you see that sometimes the voice is very loud and sometimes it is very soft. The same way, when rainfall falls, it makes a sound which is sometimes loud and sometimes soft. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Now children, what is given in the second stanza? There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. Now what it means? There will be river in the gutters. Now what means gutters, children? Gutters mean what? A channel made near the road to carry out the extra water when the rainy season is there. Okay, mostly it is for the rainy season. So the gutter will flow like a river. What the poet is saying? The gutters are going to flow like a river and lakes will be seen beside the street. Lakes will be seen beside the street. Street means what? Road. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Alright. So kitty. Lazy kitty means what? Lazy cat. Alright. So it will make the lazy cat to wash his dirty feet in the lake near the street. Alright. Now let us see the third stanza. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pencils all get muddy because they are so short. Now children, what this stanza means? The roses will wear diamonds like king and queen at court. Now children, when the rain falls and the raindrops when fall on the roses, they look like a diamond. As if the king and queens are wearing diamonds at court. But the pencils all get muddy. But now this pencils. Now what is the meaning of pencils? Pencils are the short plants. They are very short plants touching to the ground. Okay. So they get muddy because in rainy season you can see when rain falls, a muddy water is on the road. Yes, on the street. So these pencils, they get muddy. See, you can see here rose plants, they are tall, and pencils, see, you can see the pencils, they are so small that they are just touching the ground, muddy ground, and they become muddy. Alright, so they are, because they are short, that's why they become muddy. Their faces become muddy. Now children, what the girl is saying here? I will sail my boat tomorrow. Now she is planning to sail her boats tomorrow in a wonderful new places which are made by rain, which are made by the rain water. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pencils' faces. Now she is saying, but before sailing my boats, first I am going to water the plant and wash the pencils' faces, because the short plant pencils here, they are dirty. she want to clean their faces. Alright. So children, you have seen how the rain in night, the poem is explained by the Amila Josephine Burr. Okay, she has written this poem, Rain in the Night. Now children, once I am going to read it full, you listen carefully how to read this poem. Rain in the night. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pencils all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pencils' faces. So like this you have to read your poem in rhyming. Okay? We should have a rhyming voice. Now children, let us now find out the rhyming words from the given poem. Okay, because poem always has a rhyming word. A poem cannot be without the rhyming words. Let us see the rhyming word in this poem. See now children. Long song, street, feet, coat, short, places, faces. So children, like this you have to find out rhyming word in given poem. All poems have rhyming words, and when you are making poem children, you have to use rhyming words. Alright children, I hope children you have very well understood this poem.